bilang bagong mga ambassadors ng PSL, ano yung mga advocacy mo para ma-promote pa yung volleyball sa Philippines?
Hi Fatima, ang sagot ko sa tanong mo na ano ang advocacy ko bilang bagong PSL ambassadress. Siyempre gusto kong encourage lahat ng mga athletes, fellow athletes ko, yung mga aspiring young athletes na ipagpatuloy pa nila yung paglalaro ng volleyball and ma-inspire pa natin lahat ang isa't isa gamit ang paglalaro ng volleyball.
Hi Mika! Ako nga pala si Ara. Gusto kong malaman kung paano maging magaling na player katulad mo kasi sobrang idol kita pagdating sa volleyball.
Hi Ara, ang sagot ko sa tanong mo na paano ba maging isang magaling na volleyball player? Siguro sa akin, umpisahan mo muna sa pagtutsaga and syempre dapat hindi ka magsawang matuto and hindi ka dapat nag-give up kung ano yung mga dapat mong matutunan.
With their only loss coming from the other unbeaten team, RC Cola, Coach George Pascua feels this is a must-win over powerhouse F2 Logistics. A win will definitely boost their morale, while a loss can set them back tremendously. With the Cargo Mover's solid defense, he wants his team to play fast and utilize their combinations. And ngayon, I'm sure, gusto rin ni Coach George na iwasan ang kanilang mga service errors. Balik sa inyo, guys.
Well said. And our Coliseum scoreboard is a point late compared to our score. Nice combination by F2, but they end up with nothing.
Ito na yun. Kailangan ituloy-tuloy na ito ng Petron. F2 starting to make unforced errors. So, kailangan pagsamantalahan na talaga nila to.
Sila naman ang medyo nakatulog sa pansitan. Ano, ha? Pansit ba yung dala mo?
Pansit tsaka spaghetti.
Happy birthday! Samantala! Ayan na! Uminito naman ang Petron.
Ganyan lang naman talaga yung kailangan itong Petron. Hindi naman na kailangan makipagsabayan sa blocks. Hindi ganun kalakas. You just really have to find that open spot, that open area kung saan mahihirapan yung kalaban.
Samantala, humingi si Ramil De Jesus ng timeout. Makinig tayo.
Yung mga ganung people sabi namamatay, bakit? Halong backline ni ISO, tapos pa-backline tayo. Siguraduhin natin yung free ball, mamamatay na. Hindi tayo mag-error. Pag wala silang punto, sila yung gumawa ng punto.
Let's go first!
Hindi natin kailangan ng malakas, kailangan natin ng talino, kailangan natin ng mag-isip tayo. Ha?
Ayun, nagising nga ito. Itong Petron. Sabi nila, kaya naman pala if we keep our serve under control. Kasi kung reception lang, coverage lang, okay naman sila eh. May natabi naman sila. Kaso lang nga, i-serve nila ang daming sinayang. Ito si Bernadette Pons.
Oh, that's outside na naman.
Mga ilan na bilang?
7.
Wala, no? Hindi talaga makita ni George Pascua ang solusyon sa survey. Kasi kung minsan, pag masyadong iniisipan, dapat i-over lang muna. Ipapasok lang muna. Kombinasyon. Tinaas ni Ara. Reverse. Yan ang mahirap pag hindi mo binantayan si Dave. Akala mo hindi ka papaluan ni Dave. Mamaya konti, babaunan ka na niya.
Magugulat ka na lang medyo, iba kasi yung niya, yung swing niya. It's not your usual swing, so medyo nakakalito talaga.
That is a good point. Masangkay lips in skyward. That is not going to go through. Return to center.
Masyadong kontrolado yung palo naman ni Contillas at hindi masyado naka-stretch out yung kamay niya.
After
So,
coming,
habang
time out. We'll listen.
Regroup tayo ulit. So, think ulit tayo. Gamitin lang natin to. Okay? Ngayon, titignan mo to. Pag nag-running, kukunin mo. And then press, sila naman eh. Huwag natin i-challenge yung libero. Pag challenge natin yung libero, laging tayo mahihirapan tayo. Mabilis ang combination attack nila. Nakakadiskarte yung setter. Ngayon, hindi na kailangan ng outside. Ipapasok natin. Kahit mahina, importante papasok sa loob ng court. Maraming mangyayari, pwede natin blocking, madipesa, magkamali ang spiker, magkamali ang center nila. Let's go! Presence of mind lang. Hindi natin kailangan ng maraming errors.
Translation, i-over nyo lang. ipasok nyo lang.
Oo. Alam mo, normally ang coach nga would say, sige, umatake kayo sa service line, wala kayong kalaban. But with the amount of errors they're committing, ang importante ngayon talaga ay pasok mo na lang.
Tama eh, kasi naman, tama yung bilang mo, 7 nga.
Oo.
Asayang, ahay! Rebound set! The Ami Maranyo Special. Watch this. Petron Triactive Block brought to you by Petron. Petron Triactive Fuels. Better engine protection, better mileage, better power. Tinaas ni Masangkay. Molina. Atake ni Cha.
Yeah, they're just going for that middle. Etong depensa kasi ng Petron, medyo alanganin eh. Hindi nila makover yung long ball, hindi nila makover yung masyadong pasok na bola, kaya nahihirapan sila sa depensa.
Exactly. 5 straight points now by F2. Tough set. No, it's short.
I don't think Patillas was ready for that.
And it is 6 straight points by F2. And George Pascua will try to solve this dilemma.
Once na tinitid yung bola, yung posible na mabablock, ang taas ang percentage, ilayo nyo para makita ng spiker yung blockers kung saan padadaan yung bola. Pero pag malapit na yan, wala na makakadiscard yan kasi nakatukot na yung block. Gawin nyo maging effective muna yung middle natin and then combination. Kung mag-open tayo, open 4, basang-basang nila yun. Ilayo mo lang yung block, ay ilayo mo yung set mo. Wala na, go!
Minsan, gusto malapit ang set, pero ito kailangan ilayo
Oo.
ang set eh.
At saka, alam mo yung importante na sinabi ni Coach George doon, kailangan magamit mo yung gitna mo because the difference between the two teams, etong F2, napapaikot nila yung yung kombinasyon at nalilito sila because they have quickers.
Sinunag. Nakapitik.
Isa, oo.
And that is a long time in coming. They came within 3 when it was 16-13, and it's been a while since they scored. Montillas and her serve. Cruz is there. Top set for Fajardo. Masangkay. Nunag stretching for it. Tinaas ni Don. Walang coverage.
Good control by Chap Cruz. Alam niya na planted na yung 2 blockers right in front of her. Saw the donut hole. At doon niya na lang dinala yung bola.
Negrito is in. So is Micah Murada. Palasa at the center and open hitter position. Wala, hindi makabuelo, hindi masustain ng Petron. Why? Because of those errors. Nagbuelo sila.
Mali na yung start nila.
Alam mo, nung score nun, 15-10, tapos naidikit nila at 16-13. Ayun, yung wasted serve naman ng F2. 23-15 ang score dito sa ating unang yugto. Zapanta seeing action for the first time. Pulling out Lunag. Ang volleyball sa chess, thinking game. It's almost instant. It's almost like boxing eh. Alam mo, ang basketball, may bababa mo pa yung bola. Pero ito hindi. Ito, act ka kaagad eh. So you train hard for this one with a different passion. This is,
That went out.
And it is set point for F2. First fans, happy to see Aragalan back on the court. Over the last year, had that big injury in the collegiate leagues.
I think that was supposed to go outside.
And Ami Maranyo just effervescent and just enjoying the moment. It's a 10-point first set win